Rusty exhaust. The most corroded part of almost any vintage bike. Restorable? Let's find out. Look at those beauties. We'll try to make something from this. I plan to buy a new exhaust, but right now I have this vintage Marshall, so I will just try to do as much as I can from this. I use Scotch-Brite and WD-40 to cut through the rust. I then polish all the chrome that survived. Polishing paste and a rag for the final finish. This kind of restoration is not a permanent solution. If the chrome is chipped, the part is basically done, and to make it perfect you have to rechrome it. However, the smaller the chips, the more it's worth leaving it as is, removing the rust, cleaning and polishing. Some polishing pastes leave a protective layer that may help for some time against surface rust, but that's not the case here, since the exhaust gets too hot for this to work. Watch the full build here.